With the help of secret information, police successfully seized about 616 gram brown sugar inside 55 packets during the raid at Nilambazar Rail Station. The seized item is worth rupees 3 crore. Police arrested 2 women related over this incident. The state police has once again succeeded in finding drug dealers, including huge quantity of narcotics. It is learned that, with the help of secret information, police successfully seized about 616 gram brown sugar inside 55 packets during the raid at Nilambazar Rail Station. The seized item is worth rupees 3 crore. Police arrested 2 women related over this incident. Their names are Manju Devnath and Pushpa Devnath. Both of them are identified as drug dealers. Later, an FIR was filed against both of them under the NDPS Act. Nilambazar police are now investigating over this incident. Bureau report, Chini, Khorang.